Yo, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your PSN name on the PS4. So if that's interesting to you, if you want to change your PSN name because you got a terrible PSN name that you created when you was 13 or something, this is the video for you. Let's get involved. If you don't know, I'm Jay Carteret from growonyoutube.com, teaching you how to be better at YouTube marketing and online business. But I'm making this video because I've got a lot of gamers who are signed up to the channel or subscribe to the channel, and I help people grow their YouTube gaming channel. So you probably have a PS4 or something if you're watching this channel, and I want to just get this information out there, help out some people. So let's get into it. First of all, you need to navigate to settings, then you need to go to account management, then you go to account information, then you got to go to profile. Then after you go there, you can go to online ID. That's where you need to be. And when you get to online ID, that's where you can actually start changing your stuff. But you will have to enter your email address and your password and all that sort of stuff. So make sure that you've got that ready. I also want to let you know that doing this is a little bit risky. You may lose some functionality with older games, you may not, it depends. But you can also change your ID back to what it was before if you do start to find any problems with old games. Maybe you lost a save, or you can't get access to certain items you unlocked or something, then you can always revert back to the previous name that you had. Now in this particular video, I did try to change my old PSN, which was Mr. Snugs. That was the PSN that I had on the PS3, but I wasn't able to get access to that email address and that password. So I just had to show you how you'd go through changing the process on my actual account. So I'm not going to go through to the full confirmation of the account, but basically after you enter your email and password, you just need to confirm, I think 2 more times, and then Bob's your uncle, your name is changed. Very, very easy, very straightforward. If you're interested in growing your YouTube gaming channel and turning it into a career that you love, then listen up, because you're gonna love what I'm about to tell you. I've got a course that teaches you the 5 main steps to YouTube success. It's the 5 steps that I went through in order to create a full-time income from my YouTube channel. And this course is absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything for it. The link will be in the cards, in the pinned comment, in the description section, and you can go to growonyoutube.com/free course to grab that. Now, that's pretty much the video. You should have been able to change your PSN name. Keep in mind that you cannot do this on the PS3, but you can do this online on the computer. If you don't have a PS4, then you can also do this on the computer by signing into Sony and doing all that sort of stuff. If you need me to make a video on that, like how to change your PSN name via the computer, leave a comment down below and I'll see if I've got the time to do that. But yeah, in the next video, you're going to learn more about YouTube marketing and online business. So stick around if you're interested in that. And for all the people who aren't interested in that, I hope this video helped you out. Peace out.
It's been a cold winter and it's lasted far too long. So all this warmth I share with you.